Even as AI adoption accelerates, most organizations are missing the mark. While 75% of executives rank AI as a top 3 strategic priority, only 25% are seeing significant value from AI. The reason is simple. Most companies treat artificial intelligence as a passive helper on the sidelines, a chatbot, a co-pilot, or an assistant. This approach barely scratches the surface of what's possible, especially when tracking massive enterprise-wide challenges like supply chain efficiency and sustainability goals. Real transformation only begins when AI is embedded in the center of the business process.
Appian has been in the same business of simplifying workflows and automations for all our customers for the last 20 years. So our entire software is to make sure they can build the most personalized, unique, and enterprise-grade applications that makes them more efficient, more productive, and remove toil from business processes. And that AI is an equal participant embedded right in the middle of the workflow. If you embed AI in the midst of a process, it's really a core participant doing real work on behalf of human beings. That's a huge advantage of AI. If you have it running around just answering random questions for knowledge workers, you can't measure that. It's a missed opportunity that you have this amazing technology that you're not using effectively. Almost every enterprise can benefit from the unification of their normal traditional workflow processes with the human capabilities they have in enterprise, along with AI as an agentic capability that complements all of it and really wraps it all together into one cohesive ecosystem where humans, agents, and processes really work together to drive that impact for the organization. TELUS is a major telecommunication customer of Appian. They are really a model company that embeds AI inside real work.
TELUS and Appian share the same vision when it comes to AI. AI needs to be part of the process, an integral part of the process. It's not an entity that exists in isolation on its own that you have to interrogate. But bringing AI as part of the process allows you to create more seriously impactful capabilities with AI. There are parts of the process that lends itself extremely well to introduce an AI agent with clear inputs and measurable outputs that would accelerate, improve, or make your process more reliable.
Despite AI's promised value, only 23% of supply chain leaders have a formal strategy in place.
When it comes to economic sustainability, every time you're able to do a process faster or cheaper in less time, time is money. And in global trades, that friction, that collision between workflows, especially across different organizations, could truly unlock a lot of that sustainability in global trade across the world. Being able to interact and interchange goods and services very quickly, which is aided by AI in this case, would even make it faster.
The major applications that we built in Appian is related to planning, specifically cross-functional planning. And in planning, you not only deal with internal team members, but you also deal with partners and vendors that require you to understand and forecast what the requirements are. We wanted to produce data related to future requirements that each vendor individually will need to help improve the supply chain process end-to-end. This allows us to reduce friction when it comes to isolating and extracting data required for each vendor, but also improve the efficiency and the reliability of the supply chain process. This end-to-end allows us to expand not only within the TELUS ecosystem, but also provide information to the partners and to the vendors to reduce the end-to-end cycle time.
We are entering the agentic AI age. And by that, I mean like AI truly doing real work. Agentic AI in the midst of a process doing complex work could be a huge unlock for enterprises, affecting change and reaching impact in healthcare, in customer onboarding, financial operations, telecommunications, all things that we need as human beings in society. That could be much more effective and much more efficient if we just apply AI effectively. Opportunities, I think, are limitless in that case.
So we have an ecosystem where we have more than a dozen applications, all part of the Appian platform that allows us to manage the delivery end-to-end, from pre-planning even to planning to managing fiber build with partners, to managing land solution and agreements with communities and external partners. TELUS' ultimate purpose is to use connectivity to strengthen communities, improve lives, and create a sustainable future. And with Appian, we're able to address this at multiple fronts when it comes to our relationship with external partners, such as indigenous communities, but also build partners that we work with, making sure that we build responsibly, that we build with sustainability in mind, that we build efficiency in our process, making sure that we're able to make smart decisions and provide this network upgrade or network expansion in a timely fashion to our customers. We started with Appian almost 6 years ago. Our intention at the time is to find an off-the-shelf tool that allows us to do a specific type of workflow related to our wireless infrastructure build. But when we met with the Appian team, we were impressed by their vision when it comes to process digitization. So Appian is not just a tool, it's a platform. It allows us to build our own digitized workflows and applications in. We saw this as an opportunity, not just bringing one application that does one specific function, but to expand into an ecosystem that allows us to digitize many of the workflows across many of the functionalities inside TELUS. And Appian was a core component of that. It's allowing us to drive that digital transformation and become our engine for the future.
Appian's mission in the era of agentic AI is to streamline the way the world works by helping organizations achieve maximum efficiency. It's really not about the software. It's not even about AI. It's about what is it that they're trying to achieve as an organization. That could be sustainability goals, that could be profitability goals, that could be helping their constituents, their citizens, or just making the world a better place for everybody to live in.